So, welcome to my first English speaking tutorial. I hope you guys understand me all. Today I'm trying to tell you how you can change your lightning jack from your iPhone 5. As you can see, the first what you have to do is remove the two screws on the bottom of your iPhone 5. After that, we need to release the display from the frame. For that, you need to lift off a little bit the display and came with a small metal tool between your display and your iPhone 5 frame. And after you lift it up a little bit, you can go around to bring the display out of the frame from your iPhone 5. Just be careful that you don't scratch the frame from your phone. You can now move the left and the right side up to bring the display out of the frame. So after the display comes out, you need to pull it up about 90 degrees and release the three screws on the right bottom side. Just hold the display like I do, because if you pull it more, then you can break the flex cables. So now you can remove the metal plate and also remove the flex cable from the logic board. There are 3 flex cables from the display coming. Just gently remove them. So the next step is to release the 3 screws from your battery. So now we are releasing the battery from the logic board. You can pull out the battery from the other side, like I do it. It's normally not the problem to get the battery out of the case. There are 3 bigger screws and 4 smaller screws. The 4 smaller screws in the middle, you got here 2 screws very short and 2 screws they are a little bit longer. We released the screws. We can now pull off the flex cable from the home button. You just move gently between the flex cable and the speaker. but if you destroy it doesn't matter, because this is also gonna be changed with the lightning check. So after you remove the flex cable, we can pull out the speaker. Just lift it up a little bit on the bottom and then pull it to the left side, so it comes under the logic board. So we need to release the flex cable from the logic board, from the lightning jack. Just use a plastic tool, and then you can pull the whole flex cable with the lightning jack out. If you got a little problem to pull it out as I had it here, then just pull it a little bit up, and then you can it comes easily out of the frame. So here we got a little small cable. This little black thing, I don't need the name in English, I'm sorry. So this one we put back on our new flex cable. Now we need to bring back the little cable around the phone jack. When you put the lightning jack back into the frame, be careful to put the microphone to the frame and don't lose the little wire around the phone jack. The flex cable here comes under the logic board, this little corner I mean. And the flex cable from the home button. There's a little hole in the flex cable and a little plastic nose on the speaker, so this flex cable from the home button, you can't put it wrong. The 4 screws in the middle, as I told you, 2 shorter and 2 longer screws. Just take a little bit care from the lightning jack he needs to click into the frame from the phone. It's really hard for me to speak English. I hope you understand me, and I will try my best for the next. When you put the two screws in the phone jack, just take care that the little wire is placed correctly. Back the flex cable on the logic board. And the little Wi-Fi cable we also need to connect to the logic board. This one, yeah. So now we put back the battery. The easiest way is to first connect it to the logic board and then put the battery in the case. And now we need the two metal plates and the 3 screws. The screw in the middle, it's a little bit longer. And it's probably the best way to put the screw in the middle first in, then the other 2 screws, and after all screws are in, then you can tighten all screws. So now we're coming nearly to the end. The last step what we need to do is to bring back the LCD. Here you need to take care to connect all 3 flex cables. One is for the touchscreen, one for the display, and one for your front camera and your front microphone. Put the metal plate back So 1 minute to go. Put the display back into the frame. You need to put it back in first on the top. There you got 2 nose, and then from top to down press it into the frame. And the last step is to put back the 2 screws, and after that you should have a working iPhone 5 Lightning jack. So I thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope you all understand me. I'm trying the next time to speak a little bit better English. Would be nice if you give me some comments what I can do the next time better. So it's charging. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.